राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस पक्ष आणि शिवसेना युती करून विधानसभा वेंचणूक लढयतले. युतीच्या उमेदवारांची पहिली यादी ब्रेस्तारा जाहीर जातली म्हण राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस पक्षाचे गोवा प्रभारी प्रफुल्ल पटेल उलयल्यात. RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Sri Sanjay Raut also, on behalf of Shivsena, also made a similar offer that we can all look at working together. Congress, of course, will be the main party, and we will be supporting the Congress in fighting these elections jointly and giving a formidable front against the current BJP government. This proposal of ours was, they never said no, but they never said yes. They never gave us adequate numbers of seats. They never talk of seats which we were strong or capable to contest. So this kind of, it was an exercise where we felt that the Congress party is not giving us the due respect which we deserve. And therefore, Shri Sanjay Raut and Shri Uddhavji Thackeray also then spoke to the Congress and hoped that there should be some alliance where all three parties which are in the MVA in government in Maharashtra should fight together. Unfortunately, I don't think that has come to any result. And as a result, NCP and Shivsena, we had discussions and we felt that we should at least fight the elections together jointly. We will be fighting not all 40 seats, but we will be fighting a substantial number of seats, at least 10-12 from each party. We have not decided the number, but we will definitely give you that number in a day or two. Our first list may be released tomorrow, and then subsequently we have time for next 3-4 days. We will be releasing further number of candidates who will be given the seats in the coming election.